Hello. So, hello YouTube. Today we are going to continue on our M-Pesa tutorials, and it's just an app called AirDroid that is used to capture the screen of my phone. I can scroll in my phone, as you can see, it's changing. So it is why have I put this application? We're going to capture the transactions that are going to be done in the website in today's tutorial. Hopefully it will be successful. Thank you. Let's start quickly. Let's log in. The first thing to do, just log in. I've logged in, credentials. Okay, you go to the documentation, create M-Pesa APIs, then Lipa na M-Pesa, and then you scroll to the PHP version, and then you copy it. Okay. Control C. Okay, you come, new file, online dot php. Sorry about that. I'm very in a hurry, so I'm confusing myself. So sorry about that. So we're going to fill these values dynamically. So okay, we'll create some variables. Let me create some variables. So I've created 5 variables, and these variables are I'm going to assign them new values. So let me copy them to the right place. Now the business code, we are going to copy it here. Business code. The password, this is generated password that we're going to put it here. Sorry. Then the time span, the current time span, var. Let me change so that I will not confuse it, because time span is okay. Then amount, just sorry, amount that we're going to use, just 1 shilling. Make sure you remove this double quote. It's an error by Safaricom. Okay. Party A, this is the phone number that's going to make payment. This is your phone number. So one variable. And then part B, this is the recipient of the money. So it's the business code. So business, the institution that you are paying the money to. And then phone number again. Phone number, you just put your phone number again. I don't know if it's repeated, but that's how it's done. And then the URL, this the URL to your live server. It should be a live URL, a callback URL. So I'll create a callback file, callback dot php. Don't worry, I will assign the values, don't worry. So I just copy. You remember from our last tutorial, just copy this file, just the same data. and you copy it. Yeah, we have been using this file since the beginning, so I think it should be an issue. From the business to client API, so we can rename it as call back. Now we can okay, let's go back to our online PHP. So we will be filling these values slowly. Business code, let's go to APIs. Sorry about that. I just wanted to get test credentials. So test credential and copy the Lipa na M-Pesa online shortcode. This is the that receives the payment, the organization that receives the payment. So you paste it there. The pass key. Yep. Align pass key. Make sure this key is not seen by anybody, or it can be in great trouble. And then the time span, just use it to generate date function, then y and b h I s. Just simple. That's not nothing but just data. It's data. Then we put generate password. Now the generated password is base64 encode. Then you concatenate the variables starting with the business shortcode, then followed by the passkey, then concatenate also with the timestamp to get the business generated code. And then okay, the phone number here, you just put your phone number starting with 2547 xxxxxxx. Then the URL. Okay, I can put my phone number and I'll make it blur this section. You say no, not now, I'll put it later. I don't want people to disturb me. So you come to your cPanel, so that we want to get the callback URL. In it is here. I upload that callback URL here. Callback file. This one. The spelling callback. So Raja. That's my name, by the way. My server, my live server, call back .php. Just to make sure that the name is correct. By default it generates a file, so I must delete that file. Okay, let me delete it. Confirm. I can copy that URL here. Okay, now I have pasted there. And then account reference, you can just say test. Then account description, transaction description, also test. It doesn't matter. It matters, but not on test on developers. The developers place. No. Now an access token. Where can we get an access token? We'll just generate one. We'll just use a generated one. Okay, let me just do it once and for all. So we will copy this code Let's code all of it. Let's copy it here. Control C. Online. Let's paste it here. Pasted there. So I will store this in a variable instead of echoing out. In fact, all these things I'm going to get them away, and then I can store in a variable called ax. Yeah. So this access token, I'll just Control C, Control V. Wait a minute. Yeah. Make sure you have copied it in the right direction, or else it will bring an error. So what's remaining? What's remaining? Think that's all. Yes, that's remaining. Let's put my phone number here. I'm not wrong. I think it's reset how we upload it, the file to our server. Let's see if it works. Okay, I will explain. Let me just check if it works first. Sorry guys. Okay, it works. It works since I've received the noise this thing is not. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, let me refresh this. Let me refresh this and then I will show you. Now if you see, look, that's my website. It's wanting me to pay 1 shilling. Okay. Okay. Then I press here. Oh, now I need to enter my pin. I will move from this place and enter pin. Now I've entered my pin. I will click OK. You can see 1 shilling has been sent to your new M-Pesa. Yeah, you can see that message there. Sorry. Okay, I will blur that out. I've sent 1 bob. So it works. So let's see about the code. The code is here. The code is here. I'll pass through it one more time, then that's all. Yeah. One. Okay, no, I've not showed you something. Something has been generated. I presume. Delete this since I'm not uploading anything right now. Reload. So you can see a JSON file has been added. I want to download it and preview it. Okay, let me preview it for you guys to see. Say request is cancelled by user. No, I will just cancel the request. Maybe something has happened. Okay, probably I cancelled. Okay, good. I cancelled the request. Okay, that's, I think that I did cancel the request, but you can pay it if it works still. You can see this is the access token, generating access token code, and we use that access token that has been generated. Then we just we put these credentials, we encode it using the 64, starting with the business code, the passkey, the timestamp, and then we fill party A and phone number as the same value, business code party B and business code are the same values, and I think that's all. So probably if you have not understood, you can comment on the section and ask me, and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.